So hey everyone, today I'm going to explain you how to get a general contractor license, also called as a Class B license. So to start, you need to meet basic requirements. In most cases, you must be at least 18 years old, you have a valid social security number or ITIN, and have the required trade experience. Next, you need to submit your application to the licensing board and make sure all the details are correct before sending it in. So once your application is accepted, you will be able to schedule your exams, and usually this includes a law and business exam and a general building trade exam. After you pass the exams, you may need to complete the final requirements like fees, bonds, or other documents. So once everything is approved, your license can be issued. So this process is very helpful because it gives you a clear path to become licensed and work legally as a general contractor. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.